Okay, so before we get into today's lesson, I just want to kind of do a little bit of a review of what it means to be opposite rays. And so in order for it to be an opposite ray, if I were to draw a line, and let's say this is line AB, so I can write that like so. Remember, I've got to have both of the arrows on the top to signify that it's a line. If it was just a segment and it was like this, DE, then I would just write DE with a line without the arrows on the top. But I'm focused on making some rays here, some opposite rays. So I'm going to add point C into the mix. And what I'm going to do is say I want to draw ray CB. Well, I'm going to start at C. Let me change the color here. I'm going to start at C, and then I'm going to draw it through B and make sure that it has an arrow. And so CB is my ray. So I would label that CB. It starts at C, and then it goes through B and keeps going. That's what the arrow means. It goes on to infinity. If it's a pair of opposite rays, it means that they share the same endpoint there. So that C right here, because it's on this end part, has to be in the other ray no matter what. So I'm just going to start with C, and then I have to go the opposite way of where CB went. So I've actually got to go the other way. Make it CA. Notice how they share the exact same letter to start with, and the ray goes to the other letter. That means that it is an opposite ray.